Today we're going to be teaching you how to do our classic cashmere curl using a 1 1/4 inch curling iron, some really great styling products from Cuvée Beauty, and of course our favorite seamless clip-in extensions. Let's get started. Okay, so I just did a really quick rough blow dry. My hair is ready to be curled and add the extensions in. I like to start by sectioning my hair right at about like middle of the ears. Now I'm going to curl the first layer of my natural hair. For the cashmere curl, we use a 1 1/4 inch curling wand, and for each side you'll curl away from your face. So now that that bottom layer is all curled, I'm going to take my 6-inch weft from my Seamless Collection set and going to clip it in. I'll show you guys how I do that. Super easy and fast. So now I'll just take these forward and I'm going to curl these the same way that I curled my own hair. We're just going to continue to do that with the rest of our extensions, sectioning, clipping, curling. If you have your own order of clips that you want to use, I like going smallest to largest. That's how they're designed to be worn, but if you find that a different order works better for you, feel free to experiment. That's the beauty of hair extensions. Before we move on, I'm just going to give my hair a quick spritz of some volumizing mist just to keep the curls in place until we brush them out.